I am Divija Devan,
I'm Sarnav Kansal.
and this is our project for the Stack to Deep hackathon. We have built a smart security storage vault whose name is Sentinel Vault. So basically, this is a smarter way to invest that we have come up with the usual. So usually we see that people who invest face problems like they don't know what's the best way to invest their funds so that they can yield maximum profits. And furthermore, they always have the risk of random failures in the market or maybe some loss going their way. So in order to solve these problems, we have come up with a solution. Our project, the Sentinel Vault, comes with a built-in strategy manager. So once you invest your funds into our vault, it is going to divide your funds into different components and different further funds like Uniswap and Aave, and it's basically the brain of the operation. So it's going to calculate which is going to maximize your yield. So thus it helps maximize your profits, and then solving the problem of the unpredictability of the market. We have a risk manager which is known as the risk guardian. Its primary purpose is, so basically you set a threshold limit below which if the value of your funds drop, it is automatically going to withdraw all your the strategy manager is going to automatically withdraw all your funds from the different plans it has invested in, so that your a minimum amount of your wealth gets safeguarded. And this threshold setting is up to you. This overall, this whole setups helps in maximizing your profits while making the space for market risks and preventing loss from it.
So I'm going to show you some demo. You can see that here we have an option to connect our vault. If we have multiple vaults, you can connect to multiple platforms. Like we're going to connect to MetaMask right now. We have successfully connected to MetaMask. As you can see, the terms updated like the current APY and the total value logged prices automatically updated. As you can see that it is the current current APY is calculated on the percentage of yield, average yield. It is basically the weighted average of the funds invested in the Aave and the Uniswap. As you can see, the performance section, it shows the APY from the last 7 days, and it automatically fetches the Chainlink prices automatically after a fixed interval of time. As my teammate mentions that we have different strategies like Uniswap and Aave. You can change your portfolio according to your choice. You can change the amount you want to deposit in the Uniswap or in the Aave to gain maximize yield according to the conditions, how much risk you want to take. You can also see a section risk guardian in which there is a minimum threshold frequency. We have defaulted it to 5%. Basically it means that if you deposited $100 and if you made a profit of like $50, like your net value goes to 150, and if that drops to 5%, it automatically withdraws all the funds from the platform to the vault itself. It's not like basically withdrawing from withdrawing all the funds from the $100. It's basically from withdrawing all the funds from the $150. We also have a stop loss function. You have two options to withdraw your funds. One is automated and second is manual. Automated is basically using done by the Chainlink. As you can see, it automatically withdraw the functions when the minimum threshold drops below 5%, and the manual button is according to your choice. As you can see, the UI, it's pretty decent and it visualizes everything.
Thank you.